Okay, let's talk about how we can weld the separated island of the UVs. We are going to our layout in the UV. In the 3D, if these safe frame are in your view, you can go to mode, then go to the view setting, and then in a safe frame here, turn it off. Nice. And because I'm in a TCUV, I explained it before, you can use, go to the custom and go to the layout, save layout as this again. And nice. If you open it again, for example, go to the standard, then go to the here, it's saving your setting as your layout. Okay. You'll learn how to UV unwrap them. First, it's automatic. You can here and make it automatic pack. No, let's bring it to cubic 2. And it's separated lots of parts that are not good. If you are going to line, you can see we have lots of seams and not good. But you can weld some of the polygons. Okay, can weld it. For welding, you have to choose which seams and which edge do you want to weld. For example, let's try this. For seeing that, you can holding shift and click two edges, and you can see I want to welding this part, for example, to this part. Or from here, you can with a selection select past selection. For example, I want to weld these parts together. You can click and drag holding shift to the end, and it shows you okay, you can weld these two things. And we have UV weld to common, like UV weld and UV weld and relax. Just weld. You can see it's bad. Just welding and does not moving the island and changing anything. Just weld the edges. This is not good. This weld tools it's nice when you are, for example, moving object together. For example, let's bring a simple plane and make it editable, and just with cubic no flat projection and done. Oh, you can see it's in a bad mode. It's better to go it to cubic, and it's creating a UV of just flat. If you go to the polygon, you can, for example, rectangle selection and select this. And when you're going to the move and open it, it's automatically detach and cut the edges. But if you want to weld such these straight things, you can go to the point and again select all of them, and you can simply turn on a snap. We explained a snap before, and if all the points are selected, you can connect that, and now it's connected. Very simple. If you are going to, for example, brush, double click in a mode, you can see it's completely one. So in these cases, the welding is easy, but in these cases, it's deformed and we are not such these things. Just if you weld, it's not good. So another thing that I will be explaining it later, it's relaxing UV. And another second tool is UV weld. Is welding the edges that you selected and then relax it. Means the relaxing means moving the island of the UV, changing their topology and relax them in the area of the UV. And just and we have just selection. Restrict to the polygon selection. We didn't previously selected any polygons, so you can see if you go to the cancel, if you go to the polygon mode, oh, you can see it's bad. Make sure that you are not restrict to the polygons. Just restrict to these polygon and just building these polygon too. So select in empty deselect everything. So in most cases restrict to polygon is not good, but if you have lots of polygon, you have to select polygons first, go to the polygon mode in a move tool, double click, and then holding shift, and then you can tell, okay, restrict to my polygon selection. Okay, use pins for you relax. I will explain pins later. And auto realign, yeah, it's nice because these tools is automatically realign and relax the object. Going to the edge, make sure that you are selecting edge. You can select edge from directly from here or directly from 3D objects, and just do it. You can see it's relaxing all polygons and just connecting these together. So in this case, Ctrl Z, not good. In this case, I want to restrict to my polygon. I don't want to touch other polygons and just these polygons, and relax. And you can see it just relaxing the selected polygon. Sometimes it's good and sometimes it's not good. So make sure you are. And just it's relaxing, and you can go to the mode of polygon, and from the here you can scale down the island of this polygon. But so you can see we are welding with nice topology of the to island, and you can see it's gonna to better and better. Or of course you can, for example, select all of these seams and connect them together again. So in this lesson I want just to tell you weld and you relax what's there. Next lesson we are going to pins. So you learn the component. You can, like 3D, you can go to the polygon edge and point of the UVs, and it's very easy. You can double click and move the edge, double click, select, hold, move them. You can simply rotate them. It's very simple. I will show you all of this transform later, but it's uniform scale, non-uniform scale of UV. I will show you more in a separate lesson, and all of these tools here. But it's very easy. Everyone knows what is move, rotate, and but another interesting tool is here that you have to know about that. So you learn how to weld the edges. But make sure, please select in a 3D. For example, I want to go to select and pass selection, and I'm going to the edge, pass selection from here. For example, holding shift to here, you can see they are not good approach because this line is here and this line is here, and it's not good to connect them because it's wrong. So make sure that you're in 3D. For example, you want to select these seams, holding shift, and then you can see it tells you, okay, in this way you are connecting. So selecting the seams. That's it. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.